In order to load documents to the system, there is a two-step process. We first have to create a record, and then we have to load the document to the record. At this moment, let's look at the process using Easy Documents. We click on Easy Documents. And Easy Documents is just a list of most common documents that we will require to document or load to the system. In this case, we have we're going to have bank statements and we're going to have W-2s. We choose these two for our example, and we save it. In Easy Documents, you also have this area where you can make notes related to the documentation or anything related to the loan. So once you save this, the records have been created for the documents to be loaded. In order to load documents, we have one option, and we can go to Selected Documents, and we're going to see that two records have been created for us to load the documents. So let's load the document. We click on the pencil, and we just have to drag and drop the document. In this case, we have a checking account. So let's go and find the bank statement. We drag and drop. It's going to be created. And we have to click. The document has been received. And the processor has to accept it, has to reject it, and in the meantime, it has not been checked. The reason for this is that if the processor has an assistant, the processor can come in, and the ones that haven't been checked, he has to go in, accept and reject, and then the assistant can move forward with whatever they have to do with the document. We have an area here that we can put notes related to the documents, and if that document, when it's received, we would like to send it automatically to related parties, meaning the realtor, title, borrowers, etc. We will click on yes, which is not the case, and we have to specify the email layout that we're going to be using. So we click on the arrows, and that document has been loaded. Let's go back and look at another way to do this, which is we can go through supporting documents. When you go through the selected documents, the difference here is that you can only load one document. So in the case that we have two W-2s and we have checking accounts, we have to go, and my preference is always to load the documents through supporting documents. So let's click on supporting documents, and we see here that we have a W-2 and a checking account. In the first one, we already loaded the documents. Let's see how we load the second document. We click on load it. We have to select an action. We're going to add a new record and document. We click on add new, and we're going to drag the other file. We drag the other file, the document, we save it, and now you have two records with loaded documents created. Let's look at the second part, which is the W-2s. We're going to, in this case, add it, load the document. We go and find the W2, we drag and drop, and we add replace the documents. Now that document has been loaded. Let's go back and load the other document, second W2. Click on load it. We're going to now add a new record. Click on add new record. Find the second W2, drag and drop. Save and new. We have all of our documents loaded. We go back and now we click on selected documents and we can open the document. We have received the document. We have accepted the document and we save the document. That we go back.